Former U.S. Secretary of State Dr. Hennry A. Kissenger said on Tuesday that a peaceful relationship, a cooperative relationship between the U.S. and China, is essential for peace and progress of the world. He made the remarks at the annual gala dinner of the National Committee on U.S.-China Relations in New York City.
A peaceful relationship, a cooperative relationship between China and the United States is essential for peace and progress in the world. And I'm confident that all of you here will agree that peace and progress between China and the United States is in the self-interest of each country and in the interest of the world. I have spent literally half of my life working on Chinese-American relations. And I did so. I like the Chinese people. I am impressed by Chinese culture. And I am convinced that Chinese-American relations depend on an understanding that the two countries have a unique ability to bring peace and progress to the world. And they also have a unique ability to destroy the world if they're not together. I believe now, as I believed 50 years ago, that we can find our way through these difficulties.
Kissinger warned that the United States has to properly handle the Taiwan question in light of the Shanghai Communique, a historic document that became a key political foundation for the two countries to establish diplomatic ties.
So we in America have to avoid giving the impression that we are walking away from the one China concept to which we committed ourselves. So that was a real commitment. In the Shanghai Communique,